Okay, good morning students. How are you? Today is 24/4/2021. Today we are going to study about fixtures. In a previous class, we had studied about tournaments. Before moving to the chapter, we should remember the following things or the guidelines of COVID-19. We should use proper mask to cover our face and sanitize your hands with proper sanitizer. Wash your hands, make your space neat and clean, and there should be a proper distance between people to people or while you are sitting at home. In a previous class, we had came to know about types of tournament. Four types of tournament. Four types of tournaments are there. First is we had gone through, that is a short of revision. We had gone through all these tournaments, knockout tournaments. Knockout tournament. Second is league tournament. G U league tournament. Third is combination tournament. Combination tournament. First is knockout, league, combination. Fourth is challenge tournament. When we challenge a team. Challenge tournament. There are four types of tournaments: knockout tournament, league tournament, combination tournament, and challenge tournament. We had seen four tournaments. For making the fixtures of those tournaments, there are key points, 6 key points to remember. Six points we should remember while preparing a fixture. While preparing a fixture, it is important to remember 6 points. First point is how we can make fixture. We should know the total number of teams. Of teams. Key point to remember that is the total number of teams. Total number of teams can be any. It can be 8, 11, 13, 40 and total number of teams. Second, total number of buys. total no of buys. Total number of buys. Third, number of team in each half or quarter. Number no of team in each half or quarter. Number of team. While making a fixture, we have to draw a center line that divides first half and second half, as you had done in when we are taking out the zonal competition fixture. When we are making, there are 4 zones A, B, C, D, and you had drawn and you had came to know how we set in each half. In each half. Fourth point is the number of buys. Number of buys in each half. There is a particular formula for finding number of buys in each half. There is a particular formula, and before couple of minutes I had told you n minus 1 upon 2 n plus 1. Just you have to remember, this is a short formula. Number of teams minus 1, number of teams plus 1 divided by 2. Then we will be able to find out number of buys in each half. Later on, we will do a few examples in a blackboard, and you will came to know, and you will be able to know how these formulas are set in a fixture or placed in a fixture. Fifth point is total number of rounds. Total no of rounds. In book, you had already seen when we are studying about zonal match, we had seen there first round, second round, third round and fourth round. These are the total number of rounds. There may be many more rounds according to the fixtures, but gradually we take 4 rounds and we decide semi-final and final. It is important to know total number of rounds. Rounds means matches in a fixtures. Here you had seen we draw average, then we draw average, then there is a system of F final. These are rounds. All these are rounds. And sixth and important point is the total number of matches. Total number of matches. How we can decide total number of matches? So these are 6 points Essential points for knockout tournament. While preparing the fixtures, we should remember the key points of how we can prepare a fixture, total number of teams, total number of buys, no of team in each half a quarter, no of buys in each half, total no of rounds, total no of matches. So these, if you will remember these 6 points, it will be easy for you to understand how we are giving buy, how buys are given in each half, and how we set upper rounds. All these 6 points make a complete and best fixture for playing of any group of teams, and fixtures are important for organizing a match, a group of teams in a proper way. We came to know about 6 points are very important. Now, methods of preparing fixtures. Methods of preparing fixtures. Method of preparing okay, how we can prepare methods of preparing fixtures. How we can prepare fixtures? There is a proper technique that we can prepare fixture. While remembering those 6 points, I had told you a couple of minutes before, we are talking about knockout tournament. What we are talking about? We are talking about knockout tournament. Method of preparing fixture in knockout tournament. For example, if we have 8 teams, how many teams? If we have 8 teams are participating in a tournament, the total number of match will be, how many match will be? Total no of team. Remember those 6 points. Total no of teams, total no of match, total no of match. Eight minus 1, that is wrong. That is wrong. Many times student in a hurry they write like this: 8 minus 7. This is wrong. There is a formula n minus 1. If we came to know n minus 1. What will come here? 8 minus 1. Understand, class? This is right. So how many matches will be there? It is very simple. 7 matches. Understand, class? Sometimes student here make a big mistake, and while finding out total number of match, if you calculate or subtract wrong, then your answer will be wrong here. There will be a big problem while making a fixture. We have to understand the proper formula of preparing a fixture. So there will be only 7 matches. 7 matches. 8 teams should be divided into 2 equal halves. 8 teams, now it will be divided in 2 equal halves. And what the total number of teams? What the total number of teams will be? Okay, class. Now we had seen the total number of match, and we put a formula of n minus 1, and the number of matches or in a tournament will be if 8 teams are participating in tournament, the total number of total match will be 7. Here we came to know about total number of matches. Now the second point is total number of buys. How we can give buy? So there is another formula for that. For example, it is in your book also. Go through that example and you will come to know about buys within 6 points. Second number point is the total number of buys. How we can give total number of buys? If 15 teams are participating in a tournament, total number of teams understand? Total number of teams is 15 here. Next, the power of 2. Here we are talking about a power of 2, and while we are offline, a bird asked me a question, what is the power of 2? In lower classes, we had studied about a fraction of 8, 16 and 32. 2, 4, 8. Here we can continue till 32. So this is the power of, here we are talking about a fraction and a power of 2. Is it right? Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. This is right. Okay. And what will be the power of 2 here? The power of 2, if we will go further, there will be a figure 16 minus 5. There will be a 1 by. Okay? From where this 16 came? You are wondering from where this 16 come. Physical education is related to maths also, and there are some calculations also. Here we came to know about the power of 2. As you will do, add more and more, it will come. You join many and it will further, it will increase. It will go like this. So that is the power of 2. From power of 2 we get 16 minus 15, 1 by. There will be a 1 by total number of teams participating. We are having 15 teams. We add power of 2 and how many by we get? We get 1 by. To take out this by, again we have a calculation for that. And we have to remember n minus 1 and n plus 1 to the power of 2 or upon 2. So, we have to remember all these steps while preparing a fixture. There is one example of 15 teams, and I had added or taken a help from a power of 2. Power of 2 next to 15 is 16. From 16 minus 15 there is 1 by. Understand, class? So we came to know about the power of 2, and in power of 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32, 34, all these things are there. And after that, the third point is method of calculation of team in each half. Then we have to find how many teams will be in upper half and how many teams will be lower half. Suppose we draw a fixture like this. First half, second half. How we will come to know that in second half how many teams will be there, and in upper half how many teams will be there. So again, students, this is the basic things of making fixture. If you will remember all these basic things, it is very easy to calculate or to make a fixture of any team given in a question, or while you are preparing yourself for exams, for board exams, for class exams, for unit tests. Again, for upper half there is a formula. Upper half, again there is a formula. That formula is total number of teams plus plus 1, 2. That is simple for upper half, and for lower half total number of teams here for upper half and lower half put a no of -1 on 2. With this formula, we can take out the upper half and lower half. Understand, class? Hope you have understand this method of calculation team in each half. It is very important to understand. If you are unable to understand, there will be a Zoom meeting. You can put up your questions as much as you can and clear your doubts, because without these types of methods you are unable to make a fixture, and fixtures are very important as you are studying physical education. Later on, when you will be pass out from class 12 in village, or if you will get an opportunity to make a fixture, these are the basic things you have to remember. Immediately you will able to make a fixture of 17 teams, 18 teams, 19 teams, moreover around about 20 or 30 teams. So there are some examples also in a book related to methods of calculating team in each half. Go through it, read it, try to put a number of a team and calculate it. You will come to know about how many halves will be there. Later on, in next class, I will come with the example how we can give y or how we can set y. It is very easy. In previous offline classes, I had told you how we can put y, and you came to know. This is a short of revision. We are going through it, and if we will read from the book, we will come to know about various examples and various good methods of preparing one of the best fixture, that is in a book, or you can prepare the best fixture for your teams and your teams that are participating in various events.